So this is a bit of a weird confession, but even though I've been doing electronics for theater and props for long time, I kind of fake it and have always taught myself what I needed to learn as I went. And I've never really gone back and learned the basics like I should. So right now I'm in the process of working on these projects that involve programming Arduinos and wiring a lot of complicated LEDs. And so I'm spending a little bit of time going back and polishing up on the basics. And that's why I wanted to share this little project that I have that I plan to go through. So this was a kit that was available from Radio Shack. This one came out in 1982. And it was very popular in the hobbyist set. Back in the day, we had a thing called Radio Shack, and we could go to the store and buy electronics. I don't quite have that as much anymore, but anyway, let me show you a little unboxing. This, I believe, still has all of its original parts. It still has the manual, and you can see in the top down, I've been playing with it a little bit already just to make sure that everything is working, and it does. It still has all the original wires. It's got a little earpiece. The only thing that didn't work were some with the light bulbs. The incandescent light bulbs had blown out, but thank you, Axeman, I was able to find replacements over there. And it's even got a little Morse code device. So in the coming weeks, I will be going through this and maybe doing all 160 projects is a little ambitious, but we'll see how it goes, and looking forward to it.